Monday Minute from Automation Direct. Automation Direct's productivity line contains some of the most feature-packed and value-packed PLCs in the industry. The Productivity2000 622 is the first CPU to use Productivity's latest, more advanced, and more affordable design. It features 50 megabytes of user memory, including 512 kilobytes of retentive tag memory. Productivity's onboard display for monitoring and configuration. A handy USB-C programming port. MicroSD card slot. 2 types of serial ports, both of which can be configured as either RS232 or RS485 ports. 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports, one for general Ethernet communications, the other dedicated to remote I/O. Like all Productivity CPUs, it runs the intuitive and powerful tag-based Productivity Suite software. Learn more, download free software, and much more at www.AutomationDirect.com/P2000. Click here to see more Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.